sebeqalile ukuhlomela uhlelo lokucinywa kagesi okuhleliwe. Lolu hlelo selisesigabeni sesibili kanti angu-2000 ama-megawatts okumele kwabelwane ngawo. Omunye umnikazi wendawo yokulala uthi usefunda ukuqhuba ibhizinisi lakhe ngaphandle kwe-Eskom. Usethole ezinye izindlela ezihambisana nemvelo ukusebenzisana nezivakashi zakhe.
We've got hot water with the gas, and we've got gas in the kitchen that helps a lot. So that helps a lot. And then we've got a little generator that helps for like the freezers if it's too long.
Kodwa i-South African Chamber of Commerce ithi amabhizinisi amancane awahlale nezinye izindlela zokusebenza uma kucinywa ugesi. I-Chamber isinxuse amalungu ayo ukuthi abe neqhaza libambayo.
The large businesses can. We've got some members that are in the big categories who are already generating quite a large amount using for their own use, but there are also some of them that have got the capacity to increase that generation and to then put some into the grid.
I-Eskom ithi yenza imizamo ukuqinisekisa ukuthi isimo sibuyela kwesejwayelekile.
It is quite a tight situation we are in. Is a situation that we are managing very critically with the reserves that we have. So our extent of load shedding between stage 1 and stage 2 is going to really be dependent on the rate at which we're building up the operational reserves of the dams and so on. So we're really seeing a situation of us staying and oscillating between stage 1 and stage 2.
Sekunxuswe abathengi ukuthi baqhubeke nokonga ugesi.